again and welcome. This is Robert Schein, Managing Director and Partner of Blanke Schein Wealth Management. Thank you for joining us on our last Market Insights and Observations for 2022. And it's been quite the year, that's for sure. And today we're going to talk about sort of where has the Santa Claus rally been and sort of the economic data that has presented itself over the last week or so. And we'll start with jobless claims. There's some deterioration in terms of the job market, more claims than as expected. Is what the exact sign that the Federal Reserve wants to see, but it's just too little right now, not enough. So we need to see job accumulation or job claims start to accumulate moving forward, and that'll give the opportunity in the 2023 new year for the Federal Reserve to ease their policy. The next we want to talk about is the real estate market, and then housing is continuing to slow down month over month. If you look at the housing data that just came out, we're seeing that pause, obviously seasonally adjusted for good reason as everyone takes pause for the holiday. So we'll see what it looks like in the first quarter of next year. But the trend is not your friend in terms of if you're a seller, might not get the price that you're looking for. If you're purchasing, it might be prudent just to sit there and see what the bargains come your way in the new year, because there potentially could be for those that are in the real estate market. Also, the U.S. dollar is another big story right now. It has actually come off its all-time high that we've seen most recently in this 2022 year, and it's broken down over the 50-day and the 200-day moving average. Those are technical signs that show, that the U.S. dollar is now taking a breathe, a pause, and that one of the reasons would be due to the Federal Reserve potentially in 2023 slowing down its hawkish stance. Conversely, you have Europe, the EU, and you're seeing the euro stronger than normal right now, simply because they're more hawkish than the U.S. As of right now to the interest rate policies. And that's sort of the recap that we're seeing. Now, where's the Santa Claus rally, as I've mentioned before? Well, right now we have corporate buybacks pausing at the moment, simply because there's a closed window. But let's not count out 2022. This was the strongest year that we've seen in many years for corporations to purchase back stocks. If that continues in 2023, you could see another sort of underlying bid for the market, and corporations come in and they basically use their excess cash flow, free cash flow, to do one of many things: either reinvest in the business, issue dividends, issue a special dividend, purchase stock, which actually helps the overall stock price in the future, and many other things, acquire companies, so on and so forth. But corporations this year have used it primarily, based upon what we've seen from the data, to essentially purchase their own stock back. So they see value and they see opportunity moving forward in their own companies. And that gives confidence for investors to know that if companies are doing that, there's an opportunity at some point in time for us to jump in. As what we're doing here at Blanke Schein Wealth Management to sort of rebalance and get prepared for the 2023 new year on our portfolios. Again, we're looking at tax efficient harvesting, offsetting any capital gains that we've had in this portfolio for year to date. On our side, if there's real estate or other capital gains that are out there that we don't know about, please give us a call and we'll do the best we can to see if we can offset what's out there. As well as, just reinvesting the cash into treasuries, short-term treasuries, to see what the new year brings and see how essentially what we see in 2023 moving forward. So that's how we're positioned. That's what we're thinking at the moment. And that's what really the news around the world is treating the markets. And hopefully in the next couple of days, we'll get some Santa Claus rallies and we'll start off in 2023 with a good fresh start. Thank you for joining us this year. And I appreciate all my viewers that are out there, and you guys have a happy and healthy new year. See you again next year.